What's going on, everybody? Today I am going to show you how to add more items into your inventory. Now, I've already gotten in an apple over here. I've gone ahead and imported it into my meshes. Everything's already set up there, so that's good to go. The first thing we want to do, or you can actually do it either way you want. You could either come over here to blueprints, go to inventory items. You can either create a child blueprint class of this actor already, or you can come over here and duplicate one of these. Whichever way you want to do it, it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate either one of these. Okay, and I am going to call it BP Apple. As soon as I'm done that, I'm gonna leave that be for a second, and I'm gonna come down to blueprints, inventory, and where it says player inventory data table, I'm gonna click on that, and I'm going to add. You can see these are all the items I currently have. I expect you're gonna have a bunch of them, but this is basically what I added to do the inventory system. So I'm gonna go ahead and add. You don't have to mess with anything other than this right here, and I'm gonna name that a 6. It follows a 0 to whatever number. It just keeps going up the more items you add to your inventory system. So I'm going to name this Apple. This is Apple. Gonna save that. So I'm gonna have to do a separate tutorial on how to do your own item logos and the circular logos as well. But I'm gonna leave those be basically as they are right now. For right now, I'll do a separate video for that. Stack size, let's say you can do 50 apples as a stack size. Item type is going to be a consumable. Rarity, it could be common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary. Let's just do common. Item mesh, here's where we're going to do our apple. Okay, an item class, we've already created an item class for it. That's why I told you to do that first. So as soon as you do that, you can come over here and click the Apple BP. Now, if you didn't do that, you wouldn't have that option here. So do that first, and then you come over here and create your add it to the list. Once you hit save, remember that this is a row name of 6. Remember that, because now we got to come over here to your item inventory, blueprints, open up your Apple BP, the one you just created, and you're gonna come over here, and where it says row name, you're gonna just fill in the 6. That's all you have to do. Compile and save. That's it. Okay, so as soon as you do that, you have yourself another item to your inventory. You can see everything's already there, functioning, and you can just go ahead and put those in the level. When you hit play, right here are your apples, and you can open up your inventory with hitting I, and as soon as you start collecting them, you can see them starting to stack over here. It gives you the name apple. It's a common, and your message is this is an apple. Now, again, we didn't add a logo over here, so that's why it's blank. It doesn't have anything. I'll create a separate tutorial on how to do that, and you should be able to do that yourselves. And again, you can drop the item for, and as well as your circular icon. It doesn't have one because we didn't assign one to it. But there you go. That's how you add items into the inventory system.